Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 8 minus 1 times 1 minus 8. This minus this will give us 7 times this minus this will give us minus 7. So 7 times minus 7 will give us minus 49. But this answer is not correct. According to our order of operation, B stands for bracket, also known as parenthesis. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. So if we follow our order of operations, our answer is going to look like this. So first of all, we have to solve what is inside this parenthesis. So this minus this will give us what? Minus 7. Let's put it in bracket like this for clarity. Then there's a visible multiplication here, don't forget. Whenever a number is close to any parenthesis, it is multiplication. That is the rule. So we put the multiplication here, then our minus 1 and 8. So now we are in this place. What we need to do is look at your order of operation very well, and you discover that multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So we have to multiply first. So when we multiply, minus 1 times minus 7 will give us plus 7. Then we bring down 8. 8 plus 7 will give us 15. So our final answer is what? 15. Because 8 plus 7 will give us 15. How did we get plus 7? 1 times 7, 7. Minus times minus will give us plus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. God bless you.